we're going to get ready for Mama I Made It. And this Mama I Made It is more of a shout out. There's no particular person, but what I am seeing is that we're in the midst of a crisis, and so many people are finding innovative and creative ways to contribute to the movement of supporting our first responders and healthcare workers. And so the first shout out that I want to give is Starbucks actually is offering free coffee to first responders and people who are in the health crisis, that are on the front lines of the health crisis rather. So nurses, doctors, techs, you name it. If you contribute to the mission of a hospital, they're giving you free coffee. So I really want to shout out them. But also, guys, on Instagram, and by the way, my Instagram is Joey V Price HR. I'm seeing a ton of people who are knitting masks for workers. So that is cool that people are doing that. And the knitting, it's not about the design in as much as it's about helping to create a barrier that helps the workers keep their masks longer. As I mentioned earlier, there's a shortage of masks. And so this moment in time is when we're really looking at, how can we help preserve the materials that we do have until there's an opportunity for more stuff to come. And could you imagine trying to do your job without having the necessary supplies? Like, could I imagine trying to work online if I only had internet for 30 minutes a day? Or could I imagine trying to get to my office if I only had gas to go 10 miles of a 20-mile journey? Like, that's where healthcare workers are at this point. And so anyone who is stepping up to contribute to their mission, to their cause, my hat goes off to you. Definitely you get a Mama I Made It cheer from me. What is Jumpstart doing? Well, I recently signed us up to be a part of, in the state of Maryland, there's this partnership that they have with private industry, and it's for the Maryland Emergency Management Administration. And I don't know if I'll get a call back. I don't know if there's even a need, but I would imagine that, with the healthcare workers that are needed, and now we're looking into med schools and nursing schools and placing people at hospitals to actually help with the fight against the coronavirus. There may be a need for resources. So for HR, for training, for onboarding support, for sourcing through resumes and finding the right fit. So HR companies are deemed essential. So I'm just trying to play an essential part. So I do want to thank my team, Emily and Yemisi, for being a part of the team right now and doing all you can to help keep things going. So that's this Mama I Made It segment.